dreams. So what is the function of dreaming? Is there any benefit, or is it just a byproduct of sleep? So according to the author of the book, Walker, he proposes 2 benefits of sleeping. The first benefit, he says that dreams actually help us to feel emotionally relaxed and are very good for our mental health. And there's a saying that time heals all wounds. But Walker says it's time spent in sleep which heals the wounds. And he explains this scientifically, and he says in our brains there's a molecule which actually triggers stress and anxiety, and this molecule is called non-adrenaline. And he says in the 24 hours of the day, the only time when this molecule stops working, it takes a break, a little pause, it's in our REM sleep. So all the other emotions are actually active in our brain, but the only emotion which doesn't work at that time, it's on a little break, it's the stress molecule, non-adrenaline. And obviously that helps with some form of emotional therapy. The second benefit he proposes is that dreams, they are a form of creativity and solve problems. So even Islamically, sometimes we have dreams which we feel like are a form of guidance or direction or ilham. So basically science is kind of explaining the same thing and saying these dreams are solving problems. So how do they kind of solve problems? So basically, that first part of the sleep, non-REM, in that sleep, we're kind of consolidating all the memories. So all of those things which we do during the day, they kind of go into this memory storage box in that deep sleep. And the second part, the second cycle of the sleep, the REM sleep, all the information is there. And now you start making connections. And when you're making all these connections, you're going to come up with creative ideas and, more solutions to problems. And also,